Hey everybody, how y'all doing?
Hey. We're making a pen.
We're making a playpen. Quick update on the guinea pigs. They finally got a proper home. Got them an igloo. They're liking that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it.
And now we got them a playpen so they can run around outside the cage and be safe. So let's get that together and we'll show y'all how it goes. Got it, Evelyn?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that didn't take long.
No, didn't take long at all. Mr. Salem, come and say hello. All right, let's go get the guinea pigs. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll grab the guinea pigs and put them in. Okay.
How about you grab? I think this the glue is for that.
Yeah, and we have a second igloo for them for in the pen, so that if they get scared, they can run in there.
Mommy.
So we have Cutie. We got Cutie here. We're gonna put her in. There you go. See how Mr. Salem does.
Oh, Daddy, he's not afraid.
He's fine. He's fine. It's not gonna hurt him. Yeah. Mr. Salem's like, what is that? What is that? Finally on my level.
Yeah, this is your room.
Yeah. Let's go get the other one.
Yeah. Okay, we're back.
And trying to get the other one. He's a little rascally. Gotcha. What? Yeah, I got
Can I pet Buddy? Can I pet Buddy?
Oh, the life of a dad. And there you go.
Yep.
Yep.
Here.
Let's see how they like it.
I guess mine like Salem. No Buddy. No Kitty.
See how they do.
No Salem. No.
Okay. No, don't leave Salem alone. He's fine. He ain't gonna hurt nothing. They're just checking out their new digs. It's a new playpen. And Salem's checking them out like, what's going on?
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, they like it. Well, they're awful chatty.
Yeah, Cutie, do you like it?
Hey.
Mommy, they like it. They're weeping.
No, they're fine.
They're weeping.
Oh, Cutie there went right up against Salem and said, hi, how you doing? Can't get us. Can't get us, Mr. Cat. See?
They're nice. They're nice.
Hey, what's up?
They're excited, Mommy.
Yeah.
Sean, come to see your guinea pig.
Go get him, tell him.
Go get your brother and bring him down.
Tell him to put the tablet down.
Okay, well, Sean doesn't want to join us, but that's
Hold on.
okay.
No, I'm gonna need help.
Oh, we got a hole in the fence. Let me go check that out.
I can do it, Mommy. I know how.
It's hard to get
She's
them both
got
at the
it.
same time.
Yeah, no one
Don't
make-
have it. That's the thing.
Gotta make sure they're both there. Oh, Mommy got it. Mommy fixed it. Mommy to the rescue.
Come here, Kitty.
Careful, they're a little scary. Salem, you better watch yourself.
I really want a cookie.
Most excitement he's had in years. He's like, all right, playmates. Yeah, since Bernie. For the Bernie. For those of you who don't know, obviously you probably wouldn't, but Bernie was our gerbil. We called him Bernie the Jewish gerbil because he had a little white spot on top of his head, looked like a yarmulke.
She's being nice, Mommy. When Dad was holding, she let me pet her nose.
Oh, no, but I don't trust Salem.
No, Salem's fine. He ain't gonna hurt none.
His claw through there, but...
Claw through. Salem can just jump right in. Tell him about Kenny.
think we would notice
He said
that.
he can just claw through.
Hey!
Hey.
No. No.
No, he's having fun.
I don't want the nips on him. I'm gonna get on my that guinea pig and my cat chased after.
Good times.
Hey!
Hey. Don't
Oh, they're
Don't
fine.
fight it now.
They're fine.
Looks like they're fighting.
Salem.
He's fine.
No.
He's fine. Leave him
It's
alone.
not fine.
He is fine.
Ooh,
stress
look what
him
she
out.
did to the
Oh,
fur.
they'll be all right.
Look what happened.
They're gonna stress him out.
Oh, she's making her fuzzy. Look.
I see that.
Well, what the thing is, the one's trying to be a little more
Aggressive,
the
dominant.
one's trying to be the leader, and the other one's trying to be the follower.
Yeah. I think Fuzzy's trying to be the leader.
I guess they're cleaning themselves.
That too.
I guess they're cleaning.
Did you see the little? This is the first
Playful.
time I really seen Fuzzy so alert. And
Yeah, of course he's alert. There's a big freaking cat right there. Of course he's alert. If I was a tiny little guinea pig, I'd be all kinds of alert too. I'd be like, what the heck? Send up the bat signal. Send up the pig signal.
Can I step in there?
Not right
No,
now.
not right now,
I'm
honey.
used to this.
So let them get used
We
to
already
it.
are.
No, really not.
We are kitty.
Oh, let's see how they do. I think they like it.
Can you fix her hair?
Not right
No,
now.
her hair's fine.
No, her hair is kind of funny. What is he doing?
She just looking around. She just cleaning
It
her.
smells different because of Salem.
Oh.
I guess they're trying to kiss.
No, they're just loving on each other. That's all. Little guinea pig kisses.
What are they doing?
Guinea pig poo.
Oh no, she's pulling on the
It's all right. It's just a little turd.
Daddy will get it.
Oh, don't eat it.
And she.
Oh my
ate
God,
it.
did they really?
Yes. No, she didn't.
Oh,
Okay.
God.
They do that though. Guinea pigs do eat their own turds, or in this case, a little gross, but that's what they do.
Well, one of them ate one of these treats. I'm not sure who it was.
We had treats.
One of them's gone, so I'm just gonna break this one in half. Oh my God.
And we have treats for the guinea pigs. Good times.
Of course.
Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Gingerbread cookie. Cookie cookie. I really want to go in there.
Sim's
Oh,
like,
Not
eat
right
up.
now.
Go ahead, eat. Get fat,
Actually,
get plump. I'll get you later.
Saying Cutie looks like she was chewing the carpet.
Yeah,
I like those at least.
yeah, they chowing down.
I'll go.
Fuzzy is.
So's Cutie.
No.
Cutie was. Anyway, no, Fuzzy really going to
Evelyn,
town.
please leave your hands out of the thing for a sec. What did I just say, Evelyn? Just give me a second.
They're used to it.
No, they're not.
All right, everybody. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it, and be sure to
Notification bell.
hit the notification bell. Please subscribe, share the video if you liked it, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you in another video. Good night. Yay!